Need to reinstall Windows 10 or set up a new PC? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive. Let's get started. The first thing you need is the official Windows 10 media creation tool from Microsoft. Here's how to download it. Open your browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Link in the description. Search for Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. Click Download Now. Once it's downloaded, run the tool to proceed. Now, insert a USB drive into your PC. Make sure it has at least 8 GB of free space and back up any important files because the drive will be formatted. Next, open the media creation tool you downloaded. Here's what to do. Accept the license terms. Select Create Installation Media for another PC and click Next. Choose your preferred language, edition, and architecture, or let it use the recommended settings. Select USB flash drive as your media type and click Next. The tool will now download Windows 10 and create the bootable USB drive. This may take some time, depending on your internet speed. Once the process is complete, you'll see a message that your USB drive is ready. To verify it, open File Explorer and check your USB drive. You'll see Windows installation files, including setup.exe. Congratulations, you now have a bootable Windows 10 USB drive ready to use. To use your bootable USB, restart your PC and access the BIOS or boot menu, usually by pressing F2, F12, or delete during startup. Select your USB drive as the boot device and follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows 10. And that's it. You're all set to install or repair Windows 10 using your bootable USB. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss useful tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.